Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on Learning Outcome 3 LO3. Understand the differences between the rights, duties, and powers of trustees operating commercial trusts as opposed to family trusts. In this video, we will explore how commercial and family trusts differ in terms of trustee responsibilities. You will learn about the distinct rights, duties, and powers that apply to trustees in each setting, and how these shape their role in managing trust assets effectively. Trustees in commercial trusts have broad investment powers. They can buy, sell, and trade securities to manage assets effectively. Business management is a key role, involving strategic decisions and commercial transactions. Trustees also have contractual powers to negotiate and enforce agreements. Discretionary distributions allow them to adapt to changing conditions. Risk management is crucial for commercial trustees. They must protect assets and minimize liabilities through strategies and insurance. Professional advice is often sought for legal and financial matters. Balancing risks and rewards is essential for safeguarding interests. Trustees must always act prudently and in the trust's best interests. Family trust trustees manage assets for beneficiaries' benefit. They handle investments and real estate, ensuring prudent management. Estate planning powers help secure long-term family welfare. Trustees resolve disputes among beneficiaries impartially. They provide financial support during times of need, maintaining family harmony. Family trustees support educational and professional growth. They fund educational expenses and skill development. Trustees balance current and future beneficiaries' needs. Opportunities for entrepreneurial endeavors are encouraged. The aim is to promote beneficiaries' personal and professional advancement. Both commercial and family trustees have fiduciary duties. They must act loyally, with care and impartiality. Commercial trustees focus on business and investment management. Family trustees prioritize asset management and beneficiary welfare. Understanding these differences is vital for effective trust administration. Commercial trustees have extensive investment powers. They manage assets to maximize returns prudently. Management authority allows them to handle trust property transactions. Contractual powers enable them to enter and enforce agreements. These rights are exercised within legal and trust deed boundaries. Commercial trustees owe fiduciary duties to beneficiaries. They must manage assets with care and avoid high-risk investments. Compliance with legal and regulatory standards is essential. Trustees may need professional advice for effective compliance. Prudent management is key to fulfilling their obligations. Family trustees have discretionary distribution powers. They manage assets to meet beneficiaries' needs. Decision-making authority covers investment and distribution policies. Trustees balance current and future needs of beneficiaries. Their rights ensure equitable distribution and trust integrity. Family trustees owe fiduciary duties similar to commercial trustees. They must consider beneficiaries' needs and act impartially. Confidentiality and privacy of trust affairs are paramount. Trustees avoid conflicts of interest and self-dealing. Their duties ensure fair treatment and trust protection. Commercial and family trusts serve different purposes. Commercial trusts focus on business interests and asset growth. Family trusts prioritize beneficiary welfare and long-term planning. Understanding trust nature aids in fulfilling trustee roles. Each trust type requires specific skills and responsibilities. Trusts are legal arrangements for asset management. They can be commercial or family-oriented. Trustees manage assets according to trust terms. Trust nature influences trustee powers and duties. Understanding trust structure is essential for effective management. Understanding trust law requires knowing key terms. Terms like fiduciary duty, asset management, and discretionary powers are crucial. They define trustee responsibilities and actions. Familiarity with these terms aids in trust administration. Clear terminology ensures effective communication and decision-making. Trustees have diverse responsibilities in managing trusts. They must act in beneficiaries' best interests. Responsibilities vary between commercial and family trusts. Trustees must understand their specific duties and rights. Effective management ensures trust objectives are met. Trust administration involves managing assets and fulfilling trust terms. Trustees must comply with legal standards and ethical norms. Administration differs between commercial and family trusts. Understanding administrative duties is key to effective trust management. Trustees ensure trust purposes are achieved efficiently. Trustees must adhere to legal and ethical standards. These standards guide their actions and decisions. Compliance ensures trust, integrity, and beneficiary protection. Trustees must balance legal obligations with ethical considerations. Understanding these standards is crucial for trust management. Effective trustees possess specific skills and knowledge. They understand trust law and management principles. Skills include decision-making, risk assessment, and communication. Trustees must continuously update their knowledge. Competent trustees ensure trust success and beneficiary satisfaction. In conclusion, understanding the distinctions between commercial and family trusts is crucial. Trustees must ensure their actions reflect the trust's purpose and objectives. Effective trust management depends on a combination of expertise, appropriate skills, and strict adherence to established standards. For support or questions, reach out via WhatsApp at 0748436168. We're happy to help. Thank you, and see you in the next session.